So Lucy, here's the property you're interested in. And that was a road inside the community, that is not Logan. Beautifully upgraded kitchen. So the nice thing about this floor plan is there's basically a second master on the first floor. You have your own little patio there in the front. Nice walk-in closet. And of course your own bathroom. And then out there is the courtyard and the garage. I'm going to take you upstairs first. So this is the other master suite. It's a little bit larger. It's typically light and bright, but they have their shutters up right now. And you have like a little nook there, which you can use for either a sitting area or a little office off of your bedroom, whatever you choose. You get the washing machine, dryer, sink. And this bedroom has its own little balcony. So just a tremendous amount of outdoor space in this property, which is nice. Another walk-in closet. So this has the door, and of course you have the slider that you can get out with as well. Once again, they just have the storm shutters there, kind of up just in case. And this is a nice little area. Most people, I'll put a table here in the middle, you know, put some seating around it, and it's all screened in. Here's your garage. Let's see if I can't find the... And that road right there is inside the development. Then there's that wall, and then on the other side is Logan. So I'll be quiet for a few minutes and you can tell me if you hear any traffic. I personally hear a little bit, but it's occasional and it's definitely not offensive in any way. So I think you would be fine with it. Plus, this is in front of the garage. Once we get to the lanai, I don't think you're going to hear too much. I like the fact they have a fan there. honestly, I'm hearing more the air conditioning than anything. Actually, I'll take you out to the front patio and we can see if we hear any noise out there. I highly doubt it since we didn't really hear it in the courtyard. And that one car I just heard was actually in your development, so I'm going to say that one doesn't count. Oh. That is the first one that I can hear. And that one's on Logan. Hope that helps.